Let's talk about how to use a limit sell order on your Stock-Trak account. First, navigate to the Make a Trade page. Here, you'll be able to make your limit sell order. A limit sell order allows you to maximize your profit by setting a price above the current market that you want to sell a current holding at. So first, I'll enter the name of a stock that I already own, and then I'll select Sell. As you can see, the current price of Alphabet stock is $101.20. I want to maximize my profit by setting a limit sell order at $120. This means that I don't have to necessarily watch my portfolio, and I'll know that if Google stock reaches $120, my account will automatically sell that share of Google stock at $120 and lock in my profit. So if you want to use a limit sell order, select sell, select the number of shares that you want to sell, set your limit price, review order, confirm your target price here, and place your order. If you want to see open orders that haven't executed yet, make sure you check out your order history page under the My Portfolio section. Here you can see we have a limit sell order open at $120. And if the market value of Google reaches $120, our limit sell order will execute and we'll be able to lock in our profits.